Hi, I'm Dr. Stephanie Zanowski. I'm a psychologist in the solid organ transplant program at Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Health Network. I completed my PhD in clinical psychology at Marquette University and completed my internship and fellowship in health psychology at the Medical College of Wisconsin. I typically work with adults of all ages, from 18 to elderly ages as well. Anybody who is being evaluated for or waiting for solid organ transplant or is recovering post-transplant can work with me as a psychologist in the program. Patients have access to care with me throughout their lifespan. So once a transplant patient, always a transplant patient, they can reconnect with me at any time. Our transplant patients usually are connected with me by participating in a transplant evaluation, and they will be scheduled with me for an initial evaluation, and then we'll determine together whether or not they could benefit from continued involvement in care with me throughout their transplant experience. If patients have not already been connected with me and would like to be, they usually can request a referral from their transplant coordinator to be able to schedule a visit with me. Transplant patients will often seek care from me as the psychologist when they are struggling with the difficult emotions that come with chronic disease and need for transplant, as well as the difficult adjustment post-transplant to a new lifestyle. Sometimes patients may be working toward relapse prevention when they have a substance use history, and they can be involved in psychological care to help support their lifelong sobriety. Our transplant patients can expect a collaborative approach to care with me, really working together to make sure we identify any barriers from a psychological perspective that could get in the way of them having a good experience and a good outcome with transplant. We typically work together to identify how I can provide resources to help them be successful with transplant and to provide emotional support throughout their transplant journey.